Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua, we have the 2017 Infiniti Q70S. This was their full-size sedan, no longer being produced, but I love them. They are super cool. So I figured, why not take a look at it? Features the 3.7 liter V6, producing right around 330 horsepower, give or take. I think, I'm not 100% sure. Open it up. Not bad at all. So this one currently has the check engine light illuminated. However, I asked what the deal was, and it's just waiting for a part that should be here within a day or two. So pretty much all set, ready to go. Of course, you do have your backup camera, drive, a couple different drive modes, sport, standard, eco, snow. Sport is the way to go. Well, that's pretty ingenious. I like that. Alright, let's go for a drive of this Q70. I do believe this is the 7-speed automatic. I'll check that on the highway. Don't have a window sticker to go off of. I knew I touched something. I'm like, why is the heated steering wheel on? Yep, 7-speed automatic. This, again, 7 speeds, non-DCT. It's a torque converter automatic, which personally I kind of prefer. Especially in low speed scenarios like we're in right now, it's just a little bit better. Go ahead and try the power. Not bad at all, actually. Try it in manual mode. What I like too, even though this is the S model, it's extremely comfortable to drive. You can just cruise long distances on the highway, no issue. Then if you need to pass somebody, you just That's what I love about this 7-speed. A lot of people complain about it. I love it. Into some of these tighter, twistier roads, it's actually pretty darn impressive. Obviously, I'm not expecting a sports car, but it does have a good amount of handling capabilities. I'm impressed. Now, I'm especially impressed. You know, this example's a couple years old, 32,000 miles on it. You know, so not everything is as tight and fresh as a brand new car, but it still drives great. And that's a Toyota Matrix towing a trailer. And I've seen everything. The paddle response is actually extremely impressive. That I wasn't expecting. I was expecting a very lazy transmission. But nope. It's pretty darn good. In front of us, SQ5, which are really nice SUVs, to be honest. Overall, Q70 is awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.